Okay, good morning, guys, and welcome to another session of 133 Technicals. As we all know, this is basically a market outlook session. We get to see what opportunities we can grab from the market here, and you guys get to see more of my strategy, how I get my entries and all. So today looks promising. We'll jump on our chart soon. Let's see. Fundamental wise, we don't really have anything. Let's see. Is this for today? Today, November 8th. Okay, cool. There. We have AED news by 10:30 a.m. It's a speech. And then we have USD all day. They have Congress elections. So nothing much. Today looks mild. We might not really have any massive moves in the market. Yeah. That's been said. Let's jump on our charts and see what we can grab. Now, so, stop. Okay, let's see. Let's start with AED USD. Okay, cool. So now on AED/USD, the market opened here yesterday. We opened around here yesterday. We created this low. Then we pushed to the upside, and then we created this high right here. We created this high right here. One sec, guys. Oh, one sec. Since this is a new week, let's just look at our 4H. Let's look at it. Let's just look at it. So what are we on this 4H? Let's see. We're actually bullish. Yeah, look at it critically. We're actually bullish. We had this whole downtrend here, push, pull back, push, and then we broke above that high, and then we pushed up, we pulled back. We tested these highs, but then we not break above, and now we're coming down. We have not still, how I put it, invalidated the uptrend. Yeah, we are still in the uptrend until we break a higher low. Yeah, so we're still in an uptrend. Now let's go back to our 1H. Now on this 1H, like I was telling you guys, yeah, the market opened, we created this low here, and then we went up to retest these highs here, and then we failed to create another high to basically what continue that uptrend. So now price is basically coming down. Do you get? So now, what are the areas that we're going to be watching out for today? Honestly, it's just these two highs because I don't want to carry any small structure in between. I want something that I'm already seeing on the 1H. Do you get? So that's been said, I'll just be watching. Are we going to have a break above or below? Do you understand? At the same time, I'm going to be watching to see if price is going to create additional structure. Do you get? Now let's jump on NZD/USD. Now NZD/USD is the same thing. We opened yesterday, we created this low, we went above. Did we actually break above? No, we didn't. We just retested those highs and then we are rejecting from those highs there. But then if you look here, we have this level here, but I don't want to hold that level because it's not that clear on the 1H. Do you get? I don't want a situation where we have something like this. We have So now, yeah, I don't want a situation where we have a tap here and then we have that retest of this. I mean, sorry, not the retest. We'll come back here and then we're looking for a retest and then some people jump on it aggressively and then it takes all out. So I'm looking for all those clear levels that, okay, once price break, we're like, now we have a break of structure. You get, so that's why I'm saying, let's just allow that one, let it be. Let's see. So now what we can watch out for is, are we going to see price break below these lows? If we have a break below, then we look for what, a retest for a continuation. That's what we have, a shift in market structure. But then if I have price break above, then we're basically continuing that uptrend. Hope you guys understand what I mean. Now, Euro USD. Let's see, what do we have on Euro USD? I think it's all these other USD pairs that are actually interesting. So we had this whole push to the upside. Now, this push to the upside wasn't just any push. We broke this high here, where the market actually closed last week. Do you get? So now, price is actually doing like a retracement, but we can see that this small low here, it's looking as if we have a shift in market structure, but then it's not that clear. But then the way we're having all these bearish moves, it might just be a shift in market structure. So now, what we can expect here is if we actually have price come to retest this level, then go back to actually tap into this place here. So now, once price gets into this area here, this one that actually broke this high that we had last week, let's watch and see if we're going to have any rejection candles, any indication that we're going to have any buy. Now, if there are any indications that we'll have a buy, then we can take the buy. But if there's no indication and then price just starts going back up carelessly, then maybe price is going back up to retest this one here. So for something like this, it's going to go back up to retest here, and then we'll have this whole sell down. Yeah, so let's just watch out how price behaves into this area once it reaches here. So we'll be looking out for any signs of bullish rejection candles into this area once price get there. So it's now it's basically a waiting game. Let's wait and see how it behaves. Then Euro USD. Euro USD. Euro USD. Okay, sorry, GBP USD. GBP USD is the same thing as Euro USD. We had the break of structure yesterday. And then price, I think this shift on GBP USD is actually more cleaner than Euro USD. So we had that whole push, pull back, we feel to create another high, and then now we broke it to the downside. The first thing we can watch out for is if price will come back to retest these levels here. Do you get? So now, will price come back to retest these levels before we have that sell to the downside? Now, if price doesn't retest it, what can we look out for? Once price gets into this level down here, we'll watch out and see how it behaves. Yeah, if we see any rejection candles here, then we can take that buy to the upside. But right now, these are basically scenarios we're having. We have our areas of interest, our zones. We're basically waiting for price to react around those zones before we take any trades. Hope you guys understand. Oh, let's see. These days, I've been tempted to analyze gold. Yeah. So let's look at gold. Gold has a lot of money. Gold has a lot of money. There's plenty of money there. So now gold is basically retesting this support level here. We have our resistance up here. So just watch out and see which one it will break first. Yeah. If I have a break below, then we'll be looking out for a retest. But then if we don't have that break below and then price just retest it and goes back up, we'll look and see if price will break above. That's basically all on gold. It's very simple. So what other pairs do you guys want us to take a look at before we go? That's Euro JPY, yeah? Euro JPY. It's almost the same thing with them GBPs. Yeah, but then the Euro JPY break structure. Yep, it actually broke structure. So now we have a higher high. A higher high has been created. Price is actually retracing to create what? A higher low. So now let's see. Our fib levels, I'm not sure price will retest this fib levels. So, but then we can watch out to see if price will retest this fib levels. Once price gets into these fib levels, let's watch out and see if we're going to have a reaction. Is there any other pair you guys want us to take a look at before we go? But wait, Eminado and who? And Larry, hope you guys understand this analysis on all these pairs.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. So right now we're waiting to see price reaction on all of them. Yeah, on all our zones. So it's a waiting game. Yeah, let's just pay attention to those levels you highlighted. That being said, for those that are watching this video on YouTube, please like and subscribe to the page and drop comments on what you want to be seeing on 1, 2, 3 for us. Yeah, and thank you guys so much for attending this session. Catch you guys same time tomorrow. Bye, guys.
Thanks, bro.